Page number 521, ready, start. This clause places the position beyond any doubt, stop. It puts an embargo on the use of the building for residential purpose unless the plan supplied by the government specified it as a residential building, stop. Clause 6 directs that the building shall have to be constructed in accordance with the design which will be supplied by the government after the building plans have been sanctioned, stop. We have also perused the plan of the first floor within bracket annexure P5, stop. The design of the plan does not provide for bedroom, etc. Stop. We find no provision for bathroom and no provision for kitchen. On the contrary, a room is shown as office, stop. There is nothing in the plan which indicates that a residential accommodation is specified there in stop para. A perusal of clause 20 which says that the shop cum flat constructed on a site sold for general trade will be a shop for trades bracket start except those excluded therein bracket close and prohibits cooking and use of fire among other things. Also suggest that residential buildings was not contemplated stop para. Our attention was invited to the following recitals in the deed of conveyance within bracket exhibit P6 stop para. Deed of conveyance of site at Chandigarh sold by auction to be used as a site of commercial purpose in the new capital of Punjab at Chandigarh, stop. They also emphasize the commercial aspect of the building, stop paragraph, and whereas the Punjab government has sanctioned the sale of the site to the transferee in consideration of the sum of rupees 26,000 for the purpose of building shop cum flat and using the same exclusively for general trade bracket start restaurant, that is shop portions bracket close full stop bracket start emphasis added bracket close full stop para. From these recitals, comma, in the deed of conveyance, the letter of allotment of the site, the plan, and the agreement of tenancy, it is evident that shop cum flat is non-residential building within the meaning of the act, and we have absolutely no doubt that the premises is a part of a non-residential building, and in view of the embargo noticed above cannot be used for residential purposes, stop. The High Court was, therefore, not correct to construe the word flat in the expression shop cum flat out of context with reference to the dictionary meaning of the word stop para. Mr. Swaroop relied on the judgment of this court in Chandigarh Housing Board and another versus Narendra Kaur within bracket 2001-1 127 PLR 227 within bracket SC to show that in the expression shop cum flat the first floor is meant for residential purposes, stop. In the light of the above discussion, it is to borrowed a proposition to merit acceptance, stop. In that case, the buildings was in different sector and the requirement of the chief architect and the secretary of the board was that the ground floor should be the shop and the first and second floors should be constructed as residential flats, therefore, the said judgment is clearly distinguishable on the facts of that case. Stop. In the instant case, we have already held the first floor is meant for non-residential purposes and cannot be treated as residential building. Stop.